Hello guys, in this video we will see Rocket League error, what it means, and how to fix it. That guide will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding Rocket League error. Content Rocket League error primarily indicates the failure in establishing or maintaining a stable connection between your game client and the Rocket League servers in the landscape of complex whole networks and advanced security protocols. This error usually points to network instability, local firewall interference, router configuration issues, or occasionally server-side problems that prevent your game from communicating effectively. It rarely signifies a deep game bug, but rather a communication breakdown, meaning troubleshooting should focus on your network environment and game's access to online services. Step of performing essential network system checks. Content begin by addressing the most common causes. First, verify the stability of your internet connection by running a speed test and checking for general connectivity on other devices. Immediately restart your router and modem to clear any transient network issues. Concurrently restart your core console to refresh its network stack and game processes. Crucially, check official Rocket League server status pages, Epic Game status, Psyonix Twitter to rule out ongoing server maintenance or widespread outages, which are a frequent cause of connection errors in HUD. Ensure your game client and operating system are fully updated, as outdated versions can sometimes lead to connectivity conflicts.
Step the verifying game file integrity and reinstallation. Content. If network checks yield no resolution, the issue might stem from corrupted or incomplete game files that hinder proper server communication for players. Utilize your game launcher's built-in repair function. For Epic Games Launcher, navigate to Library, click the three dots on Rocket League and select Verify. For Steam, right-click Rocket League, go to Properties, Install Files. Verify integrity of game files. Console players should clear the game's cache if applicable. Platform-specific instructions vary, or consider a full reinstallation of Rocket League as a comprehensive step to ensure all game assets and configuration files are fresh and intact, resolving any potential corruption. Step advanced network configuration. Firewall review. Content delve into more specific network settings. If the problem persists, inspect your system's firewall. Windows Defender Firewall third-party security suites to ensure Rocket League and its necessary executables are not being blocked. Temporarily disable your firewall for a test, then enable it and create explicit exceptions. For Rocket League, examine your router settings. Confirm your network address. Translation. NATTEC is open or moderate, which is optimal for online gaming. Consider enabling universal plug-and-play upon your router, or if upn causes issues, manually forwarding the specific ports Rocket League uses typically to put $1,000 to word. Experiment with changing your DNS server to a public one. Google DNS, Cloudflare DNS, to rule out related DNS resolution problems.
Step contacting Psyonix support and system diagnostics. Content. If all previous troubleshooting steps have failed to resolve error, it's time to contact official Psyonix Epic Games support before reaching out. Gather detailed information, including your gaming platform, internet service provider, all troubleshooting steps you have already attempted, specific error messages, and system diagnostics. HDIG report for users, relevant console error codes. Providing comprehensive information upfront will significantly expedite the support process in HUB. Additionally, consider trying to connect to Rocket League from a completely different network. If feasible, a mobile hotspot friend's house to definitively determine if the issue is isolated to your home network setup or a broader account game problem.